Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Techno Education Academy. Today with me Mr. Hardik Molia. He is Director of Prime Seal Precision Cast Private Limited Rajkot. Today he will give you brief idea about their company. First of all, thank you very much sir for giving opportunity to our channel. So over to you.
Hello friends, my name is Hardik Molia. I am the Director at Prime Seal Precision Cast Private Limited. We are manufacturing world-class investment casting product. Basically, we are manufacturing in a various sector like automobile sector, valve industry, pump industry, agriculture industry, hardware industry, etc. We are manufacturing investment casting with national and international standard. We have a certificate like ISO, PED, API, IBR, etc. We are manufacturing investment casting with various grades like carbon steel, stainless steel, duplex steel and nickel alloys, etc. We have an all in-house facility which required for the investment casting. Like we have a in-house heat treatment up to 1 ton. We have a in-house NDT laboratory like DP testing, MPI testing, RT viewer room, hydro testing, etc.
Let's visit the company. The first procedure in the wax investment casting is wax injection. So here you can see that the wax is injected in the die. The die is already prepared as per the customer need. So here you can see that these are the different wax pattern. It is prepared in the die through the wax injection. The next procedure is repairing and cleaning of wax pattern. So here you can see that the wax pattern is repaired and clean. Here the wax pattern quality it is checked by expert in the industry. The next procedure is assembly of pattern. Here the coating will be take place on the wax pattern, so we can create the mold for the casting. The next procedure is drying process. The next procedure is dewaxing. In the dewaxing process, from the prepared mold, the wax is removed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this information it will be helpful to you. If you would like to watch this type of more videos, then please subscribe our channel and also share with your friends.